Dear viewers, today we are going to learn about factors affecting mental health. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us try to understand the factors affecting mental health. Mental health refers to a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how individuals think, feel, and act, as well as how they handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. A wide range of factors influence mental health, and these can be broadly classified into biological, psychological, and socio-environmental factors. Understanding these factors is crucial for early identification, prevention, and intervention. A holistic approach, one that includes emotional, social, and physical well being, can help promote positive mental health and improve overall quality of life. Biological factors. These are internal, physiological factors that influence mental health. Genetics and heredity. Some mental health disorders, example depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, tend to run in families, suggesting a genetic predisposition. Brain chemistry and neurotransmitters. Imbalances in brain chemicals such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine can affect mood, behavior, and cognition. Physical health conditions. Chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, or neurological disorders can impact mental well being. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions like thyroid disorders or hormonal changes during puberty, pregnancy, or menopause can affect mental health. Substance use, alcohol, drugs, and other psychoactive substances can cause or exacerbate mental health issues. 2. Psychological factors. These involve the individual's personal traits, emotional makeup, and coping mechanisms. Personality traits. Traits such as low self esteem, excessive perfectionism, or high neuroticism may make individuals more vulnerable to mental health issues. Coping skills. Poor coping strategies, example, avoidance, denial, aggression, may lead to unresolved emotional problems. Childhood experiences, trauma, neglect, or abuse during formative years can have long lasting effects on mental well being. Cognitive patterns, negative thinking, irrational beliefs, or persistent pessimism can contribute to conditions like depression or anxiety. Stress and emotional regulation. The inability to manage emotions in response to stress can result in psychological distress. 3. Socio-environmental factors. These include external, contextual aspects that influence a person's mental state. Family environment, dysfunctional family dynamics, lack of support, or domestic violence can damage mental health. Social support networks, having strong relationships with family, friends, and the community is a protective factor. Socioeconomic status, poverty, unemployment, and financial insecurity are linked to higher rates of mental illness. Cultural beliefs and stigma. Societies that stigmatize mental health can prevent individuals from seeking help. Education and occupational stress, academic pressure, job dissatisfaction, and workplace bullying can contribute to mental strain. Life events, sudden changes such as loss of a loved one, divorce, or relocation can destabilize emotional balance. 4. Lifestyle factors. Certain behaviors and habits also influence mental health. Sleep patterns, poor sleep hygiene, or insomnia can impair cognitive function and mood regulation. Diet and nutrition. Deficiencies in essential nutrients can contribute to depression and anxiety. Exercise and physical activity. Regular exercise helps reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance self esteem. Technology and screen time. Overuse of digital devices and social media may lead to isolation, cyberbullying, or addiction. 5. Developmental and life stage factors. Different stages of life bring unique mental health challenges. Childhood and adolescence, identity formation, peer pressure, and academic demands influence emotional well being. Adulthood, balancing career, relationships, and responsibilities can be overwhelming. Old age, loneliness, declining physical health, and cognitive deterioration may lead to depression and anxiety in older adults. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. Which of the following neurotransmitters is most commonly associated with mood regulation and depression? A. Dopamine. B. Serotonin. C. GABA. D. Acetylcholine. Answer. B. Serotonin. Explanation. Serotonin plays a key role in mood stabilization. Imbalances in serotonin are strongly associated with depression. 2. Genetic predisposition to mental disorders is primarily influenced by A. Shared family environment. B. Behavioral modeling. C. Inherited genetic markers. D. Exposure to trauma. Answer. C. Inherited genetic markers. Explanation. Mental disorders such as schizophrenia and bipolar disorder often have a genetic component passed through inherited markers. 3. Which of the following best illustrates a socio-environmental factor affecting mental health? A. Thyroid imbalance. B. Peer support. C. Low serotonin levels. D. Neurotransmitter depletion. Answer. B. Peer support. Explanation. Social support systems like friends and peers form part of the socio-environmental dimension impacting mental health. 4. According to the biopsychosocial model, mental health is influenced by A. Biological factors alone. B. Psychological and social factors only. C. A combination of biological, psychological, and social factors. D. Cultural beliefs and superstitions. Answer. C. A combination of biological, psychological, and social factors. Explanation. The biopsychosocial model provides a holistic understanding of mental health, encompassing multiple dimensions. 5. Prolonged exposure to stress hormones such as cortisol is most likely to result in A. Increased serotonin levels. B. Enhanced coping mechanisms. C. Impaired immune functioning and mental health decline. D. Decreased susceptibility to mental illness. Answer. C. Impaired immune functioning and mental health decline. Explanation. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which weakens the immune system and contributes to mental health deterioration. 6. Which of the following is an example of a poor coping strategy that may worsen mental health? A. Problem solving. B. Avoidance behavior. C. Seeking therapy. D. Positive reframing. Answer. B. Avoidance behavior. Explanation. Avoidance prevents individuals from confronting and resolving their emotional issues, exacerbating stress and anxiety. 7. Which personality trait is most commonly linked with vulnerability to anxiety disorders? A. High conscientiousness. B. Extroversion. C. Neuroticism. D. Openness to experience. Answer: C. Neuroticism. Explanation: individuals high in neuroticism tend to experience frequent negative emotions and are more prone to anxiety. 8. Which of the following factors is least likely to be a direct contributor to adolescent mental health issues? A. Peer pressure. B. Identity crisis. C. Increased physical activity. D. Academic stress. Answer: C. Increased physical activity. Explanation: physical activity is generally protective of mental health, unlike the other stress-inducing factors listed. 9. What is the impact of digital addiction on mental health among youth? A. Enhances social bonding and reduces anxiety. B. Promotes better sleep hygiene. C. Leads to isolation, cyberbullying, and sleep disturbances. D. Encourages self-reflection and mindfulness. Answer: C. Leads to isolation, cyberbullying, and sleep disturbances. Explanation: excessive screen time can have negative psychological impacts, including disturbed sleep and social withdrawal. 10. A person suffering from persistent negative thoughts and irrational beliefs is likely to have issues rooted in A. Genetic mutation. B. Cognitive distortions. C. Neurotransmitter overdose. D. Physical health conditions. Answer: B. Cognitive distortions. Explanation: distorted patterns of thinking are a central component in many mood and anxiety disorders. 11. Which stage of life poses unique risks of loneliness and depression due to declining physical and cognitive abilities? A. Childhood. B. Adolescence. C. Adulthood. D. Old age. Answer: D. Old age. Explanation: older adults may experience social isolation and health decline, increasing their vulnerability to depression. 12. Which hormone is primarily responsible for the body's response to acute stress and influences mental health? A. Oxytocin. B. Insulin. C. Cortisol. D. Estrogen. Answer: C. Cortisol. Explanation: cortisol is the primary stress hormone that, when elevated for prolonged periods, can negatively impact mental health. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.